Okay, there are two parts of the debate tonight. On the first part of the debate is this whole issue of what the Sanatan Sanstha is and what the Sanatan Sanstha does. And we've had these very, very worrying revelations from a person called Professor Shyam Manav, who is founder of the Akhil Bharatiya Andhshraddha Nirmulan Samiti. Have I got it right?
Yeah.
And he has worked very, very closely in the past with the founder of the Sanatan Sanstha, a gentleman called Jayant Athawale.
We deny that.
No, you may deny it. Let him. Now, he's sitting here to my right. Can I at least do the introduction and then you can begin the debate, please?
Okay.
Let me introduce you all so the viewers understand. So the person sitting on my right, who is on the top left of your screen, the gentleman in the red shirt, is Professor Shyam Manav. He says he knows exactly what the Sanatan Sanstha does. He has made claims such as the members of the
all these years.
I will can I introduce the debate?
Very well. Okay.
He says members of the Sanatan Sanstha are brainwashed and hypnotized into becoming human bombs, and they are told that anyone who is secular is a devil, and it is the duty of members of the Sanatan Sanstha to kill them. He will validate, he will present his points of view on the debate tonight on the other side, and the Sanatan Sanstha has been so unnerved by the claims of Professor Shyam Manav that it did an emergency press conference at 3 o'clock this afternoon, which included Sanjeev Punalekar, and of course today with us in the program is Naveen Chomal. One is an advisor to Sanatan Sanstha, other is also legal advisor to Sanatan Sanstha. Therefore, one part of the debate is, if these revelations are true, if even 1% of them is true, then leave alone ban the Sanatan Sanstha, it should be closed down overnight. No, one second. The second part of the debate is, what is the BJP doing? On that, Ashish Shelar of the BJP is with us. Priyanka Chaturvedi of the Congress is with us. And today a comparison has been drawn by the BJP to the
MIM.
All India MIM of Asaduddin Owaisi. Right? Now, the AIMIM is not on the program, but we have Maulana Masood Ul Hasan Kazmi on whether it is right to draw a link between the Sanatan Sanstha and the All India MIM. The hashtag tonight for this debate is Sanatan Ban Debate. Welcome to the debate. Now, first question is this. Can you please, and we'll keep our comments brief, मैं अंग्रेजी हिंदी दोनों में पूछूंगा. आपने कहा है कि जो सनातन संस्था के मेंबर्स हैं उनको ब्रेन वॉश किया जाता है, हिप्नोटाइज किया जाता है कि वो ह्यूमन बॉम्ब बने. उसका मतलब क्या है आपको? ह्यूमन बॉम्ब, ये बहुत ही बड़ा आपने क्लेम बनाया. इसके बाद इसको वैलिडेट कीजिए प्लीज एंड दे विल रिस्पॉन्ड टू यू. गो अहेड.
सनातन संस्था के जो फाउंडर है डॉक्टर जे.बी. आठवले, डॉक्टर जे.बी. आठवले बहुत ही अच्छे हिप्नोथेरेपिस्ट है.
हिप्नोथेरेपिस्ट.
मेरा अंधविश्वास का जब काम शुरू था 1982 में मैंने शुरू किया. मुझे हिप्नोथेरेपी सीखने की ज़रूरत थी. मैंने वो पढ़कर और मेरे कुछ मित्रों के साथ में सीखा. डॉक्टर जे.बी. आठवले के क्लास में मैं गया, तब से हमारी अच्छी मित्रता हो गई. डॉक्टर जे.बी. आठवले हिप्नोथेरेपिस्ट करके बहुत ही ऊंचे दर्जे के हिप्नोथेरेपिस्ट है. मैं आज डॉक्टरों को सिखाता हूँ 90 से ये हिप्नोथेरेपी. ये सिखाते वक्त मुझे जो कुछ नाम पूरे दुनिया के लेने पड़ते हैं इसके एक्सपर्ट्स लोगों में, उनमें डॉक्टर जे.बी. आठवले का भी नाम लेना पड़ता है. इतना एक्सपर्ट आदमी है.
आप पॉइंट पे आ जाइए जरा जल्दी से. आप कह रहे हैं कि वो ही सेज, यू हैव सेड दैट सनातन संस्था ब्रेन वॉशेस पीपल इनटू बिलीविंग दैट रैशनलिस्ट्स हु आर सेक्युलर आर डेविल्स.
या
devils, and they are told it is their duty to kill them. Now all these comments are being made in the context of claims that members of the Sanatan Sanstha have been involved in the killing of several rationalists. Now please validate your claim. आप कह रहे हैं कि Sanatan Sanstha trains people to kill rationalists. No, you make your point and then I'll let you respond to it. Please go ahead. Make your point. आप directly इनको कीजिए. They've held a press conference against you today. Go ahead. You can tell them directly.
मैं ये चीज़ें आज नहीं कह रहा हूँ, 2006 सालों से कह रहा हूँ. 2006 में मैंने मानवी रोबोन्सा कारखानदार करके एक आर्टिकल लिखा था. उसके पहले केवल इन लोगों ने 2 बॉम्ब स्फोट किए थे, एक रत्नागिरी में, दूसरा नांदेड़ में. लेकिन वो लोग, इनके कार्यकर्ता थे, वो पकड़े गए थे. इसके बावजूद उसको कोई सीरियस चीज़ नहीं हुई. फिर मेरे ध्यान में आया कि ये लोग जिस ढंग से हमारे कार्यक्रमों में आकर गड़बड़ करते थे, जिस ढंग से बर्ताव करते थे, मेरी ये आदत रही कि लोगों को अच्छे ढंग से कन्विंस करने का. मेरे ध्यान में आया कि ये लोग रीजनिंग ही नहीं कर सकते हैं. और इसलिए मैंने सनातन संस्था क्या है, किस ढंग से काम करती है, इसके डेप्थ में गया. डॉक्टर जे.बी. आठवले मुझे पहले से ही बहुत अच्छे मालूम थे. इन लोगों ने किस ढंग से इन लोगों का ब्रेन वॉशिंग किया है. ब्रेन वॉशिंग केवल सम्मोहन के जरिए नहीं होता.
ब्रेन वॉशिंग फॉर व्हाट?
ब्रेन वॉशिंग इसलिए कि इनको ईश्वरी राज्य लाने का है. ये देखिए, ये छोटा सा चित्र अगर आप बता पाएंगे तो अच्छी बात है. इनकी किताबों में कहा है.
शो इट ऑन द स्क्रीन. व्हाट इज दिस?
ये ऐसा मानते हैं, ऐसी थियरी प्रोपोगेट करते हैं.
ये क्या है?
हाँ, तो ऐसी थियरी प्रोपोगेट करते हैं कि ये जो भी लोग इस दुनिया में हैं, तुम जैसे मेरे जैसे जो भी लोग हैं जो इनके खिलाफ बात करते हैं, ये सबके सब दुर्जन लोग हैं और ये दुर्जनों को उन्होंने मांत्रिक कहा है, यानी शैतान कहा है। ये शैतानों से कंट्रोल्ड बाय, ये शैतानों से पूरे के पूरे लोग जो कंट्रोल्ड है, ये कंट्रोल्ड है, जैसे मानव जैसे दाभोलकर जैसे लोग हैं, ये कंट्रोल्ड है और ये पूरे दुनिया में डिवाइन राज्य को नष्ट कर,
कहाँ लिखा है कि rationalists should be killed?
या बताना, वो भी बताता हूँ, इनके ही किताबों में लिखा है और इसमें केवल रैशनलिस्ट टू बी किल्ड नहीं ऐसा लिखा है इनके किताबों में, इससे भी बहुत ज्यादा बातें लिखी है, वो भी मैं आपके सामने रखूंगा पहले।
आप इनके सामने रखिए ना।
हाँ बिल्कुल। अभी इनके ईश्वरी राज्य की स्थापना करके मराठी में एक बुक है, उसमें लिखा है डॉक्टर JB आठवले इन्होंने कि इस दुनिया में, इस देश में कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं है, चाहे लोकतंत्र हो, शेयर मार्केट हो, एजुकेशनल सिस्टम हो, मिलिट्री हो, न्याय व्यवस्था हो, जस्टिस सिस्टम यानी राजकीय पार्टी हो, ये सब गलत है। साधक ने ये सब कुछ उद्ध्वस्त करनी चाहिए और इन लोगों को मारकर ईश्वरी राज्य निर्माण करण्याची हीच खरी वेळ आहे।
ट्रांसलेशन that these people need to be killed.
हाँ, these people need to be killed और यही एक
I think you
समय
need to
है,
defend
यही
yourself.
एक समय है।
Yeah.
These particular statements which is
No,
reading
are the statements right or
are
wrong?
completely
right?
false.
Are they right or wrong?
False, wrong.
No, are they right or
Completely
no,
wrong.
No, where
Let
have
me-
you
let me
quoted?
tell.
No,
No.
watch 1 minute. Where have you quoted it from?
ईश्वरी राज्याची स्थापना
It is
करके
written by
डॉक्टर
his
JB
handwriting.
One second.
डॉक्टर
Handwriting.
JB
Show the book.
आठवले
Show the book.
handwriting.
Show the book. One more thing, Arnav,
Show the
let
book.
me
Just
tell.
one minute. Where have you
There
quoted?
is-
One minute.
His own handwriting is showing.
Where have you quoted this from?
अभी मैंने वो किताब
Yes.
तो नहीं लाई, लेकिन ये देखो ईश्वरी
it is a-
राज्य
he
की
is a liar. He's a
Sham
exposed
Manav.
liar.
Arnav,
He is
Arnav,
a
Arnav.
convicted by the
I
court.
I am putting one fact.
He
Arnav, I am
lost
putting
his
one fact.
credibility for
This
telling
is
lies.
the
He's been
book.
convicted by the court.
This is the
and now he's doing a
translation.
false propaganda on the
I
channel.
am.
Is this
It is
his-
not a
It is
translation.
your own typing.
Let me tell you, Arnav,
His
whether
own
he is telling
compilation.
truth or false. Mr. Sham Manav
These-
was Mr. Sham
ये
Manav.
बुक लिखा कि नहीं
Mr.
डॉक्टर
Sham
JB आठवले ने, और उसमें का ये
no, no.
है, आपको जब कभी भी आप देख
Mr.
सकते हैं,
Sham
वो तो
Manav
proof सही उसमें
Give back
was
the book, give back
convicted
the
by a court. Was convicted by a court in Pune. Is it true or false? Mr. Sham Manav, answer.
And-
Whether you
No,
are
no, watch out. Let him
or
answer.
not.
Watch out. Were you convinced?
Answer.
What is the context of that in the
For
context of
making
the...
a false statement.
propaganda.
He is used to that. He is used for, he made false
Maligning
statement.
people.
He apologized, he paid fine, he was made punishment till the rising up of the court.
You're
True or
threatening him
false?
on the program.
No, no.
Not
Is it true
threatening,
or false?
punished,
Ask him.
he's punished.
True or false?
He's a convicted man.
Okay, now he's spoken. Watch it. He's
Okay,
speaking.
and let me talk.
No, watch it. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute.
Okay.
Bold
Let him
it.
answer.
Watch it. You asked a question. Let him reply,
Okay.
please. We hear both sides. Go ahead.
डॉक्टर पविवर्तक नाम के एक गृहस्थ है महाराष्ट्र में, वो दावा करते थे कि वो सूक्ष्म देह से कहीं भी जा सकते हैं, मंगल पर जा सकते हैं, कोई ग्रह पे जा सकते हैं। उस व्यक्ति के बारे में मेरी एक किताब है, मांत्रिक शब्द आया था, ये डिफेमेटरी वर्ड है करके तब कोर्ट ने उसका निर्णय दिया। उस वक्त मैंने वो सीरियसली नहीं लिया। मैंने सुनो आगे
Convicted.
Whatever reason.
You are correct.
Don't intimidate him.
95 में बंबई के एक प्रोग्राम में मैंने डायरेक्टली डॉक्टर पविवर्तक को कुछ शब्द कहे, डायरेक्टली कहे। वो तो मांत्रिक शब्द तो अनोइंगली आया था, यहाँ पर मैंने डायरेक्टली कहे और उसमें कहा कि डॉक्टर पविवर्तक, अगर इनमें मंगल में जाने का सामर्थ्य है तो बाजू के रूम में जाके बताइए, वहाँ पे हम कुछ चीज़ें रखेंगे, वो पहचान के आइए। वो कोर्ट में केस गई पुणे के, और पुणे के कोर्ट केस के सेशन कोर्ट ने मुझे बाइज्जत बरी किया।
See, I got a one rational question to Mr. Sham Manav.
और वहाँ क्या कहा वो भी बताता हूँ, वहाँ क्या कहा वो भी बताता हूँ। कोर्ट ने ये भी बताया, अभी आपने जो पूछा है उसका सवाल, कोर्ट ने ये भी बताया कि मिस्टर मानव आप बहुत अच्छा काम करते हो, डिफेमेटरी वर्ड यूज मत करिए। लेकिन
आपको जजमेंट किताब में लिखा है उसमें कि आपको कन्विक्ट हुआ है, आप कह रहे हैं, आपने टीवी प्रोग्राम में कबूल किया। अब मैं
डॉक्टर पविवर्तक के ही केस के बारे में मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
You answer one thing. If Guruji Athawale was a hypnotherapist,
Why are you so upset? No,
I'm not upset.
Why? Why are you so upset? No,
When he says that, Mr. Sham Manav doesn't stop at that.
Yeah.
He says whatever lacks of sadhaks are there, he told that, let him deny. He gave a suggestion
इसका
that
जवाब-
because he is suspecting this, he has no evidence. He told R.R. Patil that these lakhs of people, they must be brain mopped, and then you will find the guilt. So this is the fascist And is it a rational mentality?
ठीक.
Because he is intellectual. What is his status? I am not questioning or
I'm
intimidating him.
question-
He is telling brainwash. Now tomorrow I have got an allegation on media. I will say everybody should be brain mobbed.
No.
What does he mean?
ठीक
No,
है,
no.
ठीक है.
This he needs
Have
to
you- have you
answer.
completed-
He wants.
And you answer one thing, Mr.
Sanjeev
Rashid.
Purohit
Are you
to be brain
threatening
mobbed.
him on the
What is
No,
your
let him-
rational?
No, why are you so intolerant? It appears to me. No, one second.
What was
It
his
appears to me.
demand? What was his
Advocate Naveen Chomal and Advocate Sanjeev
What was his
Punalekar.
demand?
It appears to
No,
me.
no,
It
what was
appears
his
to me
demand?
tonight
Ask him
that
his
you.
demand.
No, it appears to me. It
No,
appears to me tonight
no,
that you do not want to listen to anyone who disagrees with you.
No, I'm asking him.
Now, my point.
No, he
One
told-
national
Why
question.
aren't you letting him
One national question.
No, why are you attacking him like
If
this?
No,
Guruji
brain
was
mob. Do you say I don't do that?
Why are you
Support
attacking him like this? You
One
listen. You
community,
listen. You listen.
One section
You-
should be brain mobbed.
Now, will you
Because
listen?
Shamano
You
believes that.
Now, you listen to me. You listen to me. What is the point being made? And I'm
See, the
coming to
point-
no. Just one. Just Are bhai, Naveen Chomal. Can I? Yes. One second. I believe that. Now, gentlemen. Now, one. Listen to me. I believe the basic thing which comes across in the course of this debate to me, and I'm coming to you, Priyanka Chaturvedi, Ashish Shela, and Maulana Masood Hassan Kazmi. I'm coming to you in just a minute. The point.
let me-
Sir. No. Again. Advocate. You listen.
Let me call his bluff.
I'll call your bluff. I'll call your bluff now. It's time for me to call your bluff.
No, brain mob.
No,
He wants us to be brain mobbed. Because he is suspicious of us.
Sanjeev Punalekar.
Today he is bluffed. So let me call his bluff.
No.
If he says that Guruji was a big hypnotherapist, he can hypnotize anybody to become a human bomb. In that case, he could have made even Shamana a human bomb.
That's a ridiculous question.
And why ridiculous?
And what about brain mob?
Have you finished your-
Shamana is fighting a superstition. He's making all supernatural allegations against a person. Is there any scientific data
Baseless
that a person can hypnotize any person and make him a human bomb?
Yeah,
Is it possible?
There is
There is no scientific data to that effect.
And his
So,
acquittal,
yes.
I have to say that, Mr. Manav, you are not a liar, you are acquitted. And my acquittal, no, they are terrorists because court made a mistake. What kind of rationalism? I want him to ask.
And
What
when he's
is the
convicted,
answer?
he's saying, I did not
Out
take
of
it
2
seriously.
lakhs, 1 or 1.5 lakhs, other 2 are convicted. 15 are acquitted, and that acquittal is not correct because Manav
Sanjeev, have you
And
finished?
when Shamana
Have
is
you both? Now you
to be a
both.
liar, he's saying, I did
Naveen
not take
Chomal
it
and Sanjeev,
seriously.
now I request you to stop, please.
Very well.
I request you to stop. Thank you. Just pause. Just pause for a minute. By the way, point number 1, mass hypnosis has been reported to be a reality. After this
To convert
program,
a person to human
please,
bomb.
Are bhai, listen to me, please.
Yes.
Listen to me. Go back and find out whether on the 19th of June 2012, Canadian students at a private school had to be rescued from mass hypnosis, which lasted for 5 hours in one case, when a hypnotist in training had to call his mentor for help after performance. Point number 1. Point
hours.
no. 1
5
word.
hours.
So don't say.
His-
So point
his
number 2.
stories are there.
Point
Time.
number 2. Have patience.
Yes.
The point being made is here is an organization that believes in the indoctrination into a cult of violence. I will give you 5 examples. You will have the patience, both of you, to listen. Point number 1. This debate is open. On the 21st of February 2008, the Sanatan Prabhat, an excerpt from the Sanatan Prabhat reads, quote, act like Naxals against arrogant police instead of targeting buses and vehicles. Let me ask you, how else do the Naxals deal with the police if not kill them? Point number 1. Point number 2, and you will both have to answer now. On 27th July 2007, your newspaper says, quote, we feel victorious if we kill even a single mosquito. How would you feel if we kill a bad human being? Who are these bad human beings? Given your organization's involvement in the Govind Pansare case, are rationalists bad human beings? You don't agree with him? Is he a bad human being? Will you target him next? Point number 2. On May 26, 2006, and look, see, viewers, how they don't have any reply now. On May 26, last example. On May 26, listen to me, please. Democracy. On May 26, 2006, your Sanatan Sanstha newspaper reads, quote, anti-national and anti-religious leaders and their followers will be eliminated during the religious revolution. Are rationalists and non-believers therefore anti-religious? Point number 4. One article is quoted as saying a king was killed like a rabid dog in religious stories for acting against the religion. Same punishment can be meted out to anti-superstition organizations. He is an anti-superstition organization by the stated philosophy of your movement as published in articles of your magazine. You believe in August 2013. Now let me tell you, if my translation is wrong, I challenge you further. On August 2013, last example.
See,
Last example for all the viewers. This goes with my compliments to you. An article is quoted as saying, Dabholkar's death is the kind of death which is a kind of blessing for him. 5 examples tonight, all of them to do with elimination of people, killing Priyanka Chaturvedi, Maulana Masood Maqsood, Ul Hasan Kazmi,
newspaper.
Ashish Shelar. Any doubts tonight?
Same newspaper.
Any doubts tonight on what the Sanatan
something was
Sanstha
quoted.
stands for? 1 minute. Now the Congress party representative. Then I'll get you back. Priyanka Chaturvedi.
But
Priyanka
no,
Chaturvedi.
must be- must be-
Everybody has a right. They are also on the debate. Priyanka,
Very
please.
well.
Priyanka.
Question really the Bharatiya Janata Party today needs to answer, because Mr. Eknath Khadse has made some controversial comments with regards to Sanatan Sanstha. We need to understand, even in Goa, where they flourish, the Chief Minister has refused to ban them, and it is a BJP-run government. And also, the fact remains and stays that their alliance partner continues to, be the biggest patron in Goa, which promotes Sanatan Sanstha. So we need to understand, why is the Bharatiya Janata Party even hesitating
Ashish
in
Shelar.
defending moves like this and
BJP.
superstitious activities like this,
Why are you answering
and
for the
considering
BJP?
that they have been
Ultimately,
found
it
guilty
comes
in
to
many
us only. We are the affected
investigations
party.
and fingers point at them,
Yeah.
it makes for a serious case of why the Sanatan Sanstha should not be banned. Rather than defending it, Bharatiya Janata Party needs to answer these questions as to why they are sitting and defending
Okay,
something.
no. BJP is responding, please. BJP is responding because the BJP is defending the Sanatan Sanstha. No. What? I will give you time. I have given you time
Arnav.
to answer. Go ahead. Yes,
Arnav.
please. Yes, please. Ashish Shelar. Go ahead, Ashish Shelar. Go ahead.
Arnav, for Maharashtra government, the crime is an accident and incident. We are treating it as an incident and a crime.
Please don't
To clarify
spout philosophy.
the
Come to the
Priyanka's
point. What are
doubt,
you saying?
The Khadse ji or BJP has not promoted.
Khadse has said that
making
if
it
you have
very
to
clear
ban
it
the
is a
Sanatan
crime
Sanstha, you have
and
to
we are
ban the
dealing it
All
as a
India
crime.
MIM. As the All India MIM carried out bomb blasts, has members of the All India MIM received arms training. Please, again. No, don't interrupt.
Sanatan Sanstha, how you say
What
Sanatan
judgment is there?
Sanstha? Muslims are belonging to that. Thousands of Muslims have conducted blasts.
Please,
After
you are-
MIM,
there are-
you
there are
can't-
stated
you can't.
interviews.
No, take back the word.
There are stated-
Sanatan Sanstha has not done.
Exactly, yes.
Again,
Sanatan
don't
Sanstha has not done.
There is a court judgment to that effect.
Calm down.
Not about the court.
They are under
Now, Tarun
investigation
Tejpal was
for
guilty
murder
of
blasts in
rape.
Goa.
Not
Sanjay, calm
You're
down.
under investigation for a bomb blast
All
in
right,
Goa.
all right. My question is, please. Okay, calm down. Now, both of you. No. My question is to the BJP. No, my question is to the BJP. Mr. Chomala, my question is to the BJP. Ashish Shelar, you have put a religious spin. Unfortunately for you, the comparison, and listen to the question before you answer, Ashish Shelar. You cannot compare between the All India MIM. I have myself gone on the program many times and said that Asaduddin Owaisi indulges in communal politics, and that is completely reprehensible. But it is not a terrorist organization. You cannot equate a mainstream political party
And
with
if
an outfit
on the basis
with an
of
outfit whose
communal
members
politics,
have been
you need to ban a
convicted in
party
bomb
that
blasts
is
and
the
accused of
Bharatiya
killing
Janata Party
Pansare.
first.
Accused.
Accused.
What is this
No,
accused?
Who
can accuse?
let him answer.
May I
Let him
reply?
answer. Why are you speaking for him? Yeah, go ahead, Ashish Shelar.
Arnav Goswami,
Yeah.
let me clarify that
You are only-
Khadse ji or BJP has not compared between MIM and
Is Eknath-
Sanatan.
is
At the beginning, let me clarify.
Have you forgotten
the
what your
Congress
BJP
spokesperson
Revenue
should
Minister of
understand.
Maharashtra has said?
It is their MLA Praniti Shinde, who is a daughter of then Home Minister, has proposed a ban on MIM. It is the Congress who has proposed the ban on MIM.
Sir, you have-
Khadse ji has only said that we cannot do the banning.
you should no one second. Not only you have become. By the way, Maulana
No, we
Masood
were the ban
Ul
of
Hasan
Bharatiya
Kazmi
Janata Party
wants to
also
come into the
for
debate.
criminal
Priyanka, 1 minute.
We
Priyanka,
were
1
the
minute.
party which banned RSS.
Priyanka, 1 minute. Priyanka, let me counter Ashish. Please, Naveen Chomal, please.
Because the first
Naveen Chomal, please
ban
wait.
has been proposed by the Congress MLA
Anything that
Praniti
pushes
Shinde, and
fundamentalist thought,
unfortunately Congress
fundamentalist
spokesperson
ideas
doesn't know
into
about
this
it.
country
Well,
will work against the nation.
No, you will not interrupt the debate now. I'm getting Maulana Masood Ul Hasan
That.
Kazmi into the debate. Priyanka, 1 minute. I just want to counter simply, Ashish Shelar, I don't know what you're saying. The Sanatan Sanstha has welcomed the BJP statement and said Eknath Khadse of the BJP is absolutely right. Ban Asaduddin Owaisi's party first. So what you have successfully done, interestingly, before the Bihar elections, is put a religious spin to this entire ban argument by comparing the Sanatan Sanstha to a political party primarily comprising of Muslims. So much so that the Sanatan Sanstha is backing your comments. Both of you are on the same page.
Khadseji and BJP has not proposed.
Are you a B team of the Sanatan Sanstha?
Compared between MIM and Sanatan.
No, is the Sanatan
Khadseji has
Sanstha
only
your B
clarified
team or
that
are you a B team of the
because somebody
Sanatan
is
Sanstha?
asking for ban, one cannot ban any organization. The same logic goes
A thousand
to
page
MIM,
dossier.
goes to Sanatan.
No,
That is
Ashish,
the only
a 1,000-page
statement made by
dossier handed
Khadseji.
over to the
And as far
Maharashtra
as
government.
banning the
A
MIM is
1,000-page
concerned,
dossier handed
it
over to
is
the Maharashtra
Congress
government by the
MLA
ATS is not
Praniti
proof.
Shinde, who
It
the
is not
daughter
proof
of
that Rudra
then Home
Patil
Minister
was named in this
Kumar
dossier.
Shinde
Is
has
it
proposed
the arrest?
banning of
Why aren't you listening?
You know,
You don't want to
Arnav,
listen.
I can name multiple organizations which have been banned because of them promoting religious activities, fundamentalist thoughts, anti-national ideas. There have been many. This is not the first instance, but this is definitely
Just
the
one
first instance where the government of the day is defending something like this.
Priyanka, 1 minute, please. Now I want to get Maulana Masood Ullah Hasan Kazmi, and I don't know.
The
You
first
are saying no.
proposal of
Ashish
banning
Shelar,
the MIM has been proposed
Ashish, you are
by
saying. Ashish,
Congress
why don't you
MLA
listen?
Praniti Shinde.
Ashish, why don't you
Get it
listen? You claim
corrected.
that a ban will not
Get it
stand.
corrected.
Ashish, you claim that a ban will not stand the
Because
scrutiny
you
of the
are
courts
misconceiving
because
the
there
fact.
is no proof.
Because the
Let
fact
me
is
ask you,
getting
therefore,
distorted.
3 questions, if I may, Ashish Shelar. Is the arrest of Sanjeev Gaikwad and the lookout for Rudra Patil, the chief accused in the Pansare case,
Please.
not proof? Is the 1,000-page dossier handed over to the Maharashtra government by the ATS in 2001 not proof? Is it not proof that Rudra Patil was named in the dossier? Is it not proof that the dossier highlighted the inflammatory material published in the Sanatan Prabhat, the organization's mouthpiece? Is it not proof that the dossier mentions the involvement of the organization's members in blasts and communal riots? Is it not proof that the dossier mentions how the members of the organization received arms training and prepared IEDs and conducted 10 blasts in Goa between August 26th and 28th, 2009? Is it not proof that the ATS called this very group a danger to internal security? What is not proof, Ashish Shelar? Is it not proof that the Goa police report prepared in 2010 and quoted in the Mumbai Mirror said the organization appears to be developing into a stage of terror activities? You want to come on a television program and say there is no proof. There is proof if you want to look at it, and there is no proof if you want to be blind. Now I invite Maulana
why
Masood Ullah
was the
Hasan Kazmi into the
Congress
debate.
banned on this?
That's no answer. That is no answer to my question. That is no answer to my question. That is no answer to my question. You are not answering my question. You are not answering my question. You are not answering. I am asking specific questions and you are avoiding them tonight. I will let Maulana Masood Ullah Hasan Kazmi come to the debate. When I ask you, when I give you specific questions, listen. Maulana Masood Ullah
That
Hasan
is the
Kazmi.
only one question asked.
Maulana Masood Ullah Hasan Kazmi.
I was very
I'm asking a simple question, Arnav. 4 questions you asked. It is a
Let
part
me
of
clarify.
investigation.
Let me clarify
Question is
that
simple.
I
Thus
am
these 4 questions
not the
are enough
spokesperson
to ban any
of
organization.
MIM. I do not agree with the type of politics MIM play, but I would also like to clarify here. There is no comparison between Sanatan Sanstha and MIM. Sanatan Sansthan people, they are killing innocent people, and you are surrounded today by the people who are.
Please don't talk like that. You have no right. You have no right. You have no right to call any panelist a Pakistani.
Yes, I
You have
am.
no right to call anyone a Pakistani. You have no right to call. He is a proud Indian. You will not call him a Pakistani. You can't call someone a Pakistani. You cannot. You have no right. First, you apologize.
What are you?
Please know your limits on the debate. No, Mr. Punalekar, know your limits. No, you will not call anyone names. You have no right to call him names. You listen to him. You listen. This is not right. Mr. Punalekar, pull
Remove
back.
army for 15 days.
Pull back.
Yes, 15
Remove police.
These
Remove
people.
police for 15 days.
He's saying Sanjeev, he's saying something to you. He's saying something to you. Now listen to him. Now listen to him. Calm down. He's saying something. You can say to him directly. You can say to him directly. Calm down. I'm coming back from the debate there. 1 second. I'm bringing it back to the debate.
Refusing to condemn Raza Academy. You are refusing to condemn
Why are you getting
Pakistan.
nervous? Why are you getting nervous? 1 second. I need him on the screen. 1 second, please. Calm down. Both of you calm down. I need the screen. Can we have the camera on the Mumbai studio? Calm down, sir. Calm down.
IS people
Calm down, please.
who are sitting
Can I have
with
him
you,
on the screen,
IS people, and their
Please.
views, their point, their stand are the same. as the IS people have.
Can I have all the guests on the screen, please?
MIM.
Can I have 1 second, 1 second? Can I have all the guests on the screen, please, for a minute?
Mad hate speech.
Can I just get all the guests on the screen, please, for a minute? Now you all listen to me.
He outrightly was sent
Now you
to
listen.
jail.
Now you listen to me. And calm down for a
He
minute.
was sent to jail.
Yeah.
But Togadia, Yogi Adityanath, Giriraj Singh,
It is
Shakshi
a common
Maharaj,
Muslim agenda
and
what is
people
speaking on this
like
channel.
these people.
Okay, my
That has
question.
got nothing to do with Sanatan.
My first question is Sanjeev Punalekar. You will all calm down. I will count to 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you will all stop for a minute, please. My first question is this. My first, please come. No, you can't. Mr. Pula, you are interrupting the debate. I'll come to you after some time. I will come after some time. Now, my first question is, if the All India MIM can be equated with the Sanatan Sanstha, can you be calm, please? Mr. Punalekar, please, this is no way to debate. Hold on.
Arnab,
You can't all speak
I
together.
interrupt them.
No, you calm
Why
down.
are they interrupting me?
Maulana, calm down. All of you calm down.
This is
All of you
not
calm
the
down. Take a
way
deep
of
breath.
debate.
All of you calm. No,
I am
nobody will
putting
speak
the
for a minute.
question.
Nobody will
Why
speak
don't
for
you
a minute.
answer me?
Okay, nobody will speak
My
for a minute.
question.
Okay, 1
They
second.
are
Maulana, now I
accusing
request you
Muslim of being
to request you to
terrorists.
stop as well.
My question, Anzan.
Okay, I heard you. Maulana
Anzan bhai.
Masood Hassan Kazmi of the Imam Council of India. You also pull back, please, for a minute. I just want to say one thing. You can debate this. We disagree with each other. We will not on this program question anyone's nationality. I will ask a couple of questions. We'll proceed on the focused debate that we are having. My first question, just putting two questions as part of the debate. If the AIMIM, Ashish Shelar, can be equated with the Sanatan Sanstha by the BJP, what would the BJP do with Yogi Adityanath? Question number one. Yogi Adityanath, Giriraj Singh, and sections of the Shiv Sena. That's question number one. Question number two, just food for thought, and we'll fire them on the bottom of the screen, please. Question number two is this, that if the Sanatan Sanstha can be equated with a mainstream political party, then tomorrow would the BJP accord the same distinction to the Sri Ram Sena? That's my second question. It was just on the screen, it went away. If the Sanatan Sanstha can be equated with a mainstream political party, will the BJP, and this question is to Ashish Shelar, accord the same distinction to the Sri Ram Sena? Please answer my question, Ashish Shelar. Yes, please.
Now,
They should accord.
Would you please?
clarify
Would you
again.
please? Would you please?
Khadse ji or BJP has not done any equation
You have done so.
between Sanatan and MIM.
You have done so.
Point is very clear.
No, you have
Khadse ji
done
has
so.
said because somebody demand, one cannot ban any organization.
That's right.
And if this type of politics will go on this country, that somebody will demand and therefore Sanatan should be banned, then equally there are people who are asking MIM to be banned and we are not in favor
Okay,
of
can
that.
I- can I-
so
can
the
I-
Khadse
can I-
or BJP has not
MIM
equated,
is the
and that is the
state
rightful
Maulana
approach
Masood Ullah
of a
Khan.
BJP
Political
for
party.
not comparing
MIM
any
is the
organization with
state-recognized
anything.
political
Law of the
party.
land should
This
take its
party
course.
believe in the
The evidence needs to be
great
collected
constitution
for
of our
every
country,
organization,
but
and the evidential
Sanatan
value
Sanstha
of all
believe
organization
to
can
kill
lead
Muslim,
whether
believe
that
to
organization
establish
needs to
Hindu Raj in
ban
our
or not.
country.
That is
How
the
can
simple
you
proposition
equate the
made by
both
Khadse
with-
ji.
in the
You are
same
making
yard?
issue out of
How
it.
can you
And as far as
man
banning is
equal
concerned, the Congress
MIM
spokesperson
with
should
Sanatan
understand
Sanstha.
the Praniti Shinde
See, the
of
concept
Congress
of no,
MLA,
is very
then Home
simple.
Minister's
It
daughter,
doesn't amount to
proposed
attacking
banning
minorities.
MIM.
Don't give me
That is
Hindu
the
religion
fact.
philosophy. Now,
Sanatan
here's a
Sanstha
question.
people, they are openly claiming to kill innocent people.
Okay.
They are like IS in Syria.
15 minutes are police.
Police.
How
And we will teach the Hindu
How
lessons.
can any
Now what did
Can
he
I
say?
have them on the
Show me
screen,
what he said
please?
for Sanatan
Terror
Sanstha.
out-
Can the
with
Sanatan Sanstha
MIM.
representatives be on the screen, please? Yes, please. One second, please. Calm down. One minute. I'm just getting everyone on the
See,
screen.
see,
My
what Mr. Owaisi
question.
said-
I wanted
Let's
two
not get
facts. I
rhetorical.
wanted two
Let's not get
No, it's
rhetorical.
not rhetorical. It's not
I'm-
rhetorical.
Sir, answer my question.
Yes.
My first question is that the ATS called your group a danger to internal security. Now, please tell me why they called your group.
I will tell you
a
why.
danger
I
to
will tell you why.
Yeah, please. Now, calm down. First of all, don't rage.
I will tell you why it is did that. I must tell the fact to Priyanka also.
No, you tell me.
In the year 2011, The petition came up in High Court.
Arey, don't give me technical.
Thereafter,
replies.
1,000-page dossier was given. Listen, Arnav.
That dossier,
Then we-
that dossier, sir, that dossier
Our
had
people-
information on how the members of
Yes.
your organ. Sir, you have to listen.
Thereafter- no,
Sir,
no,
you
I'm
have to
telling
listen.
you,
That dossier. No,
if
it's a
as an
conversation.
advocate-
You can't speak
as
over
an
it.
advocate,
You
I have
can't-
represented.
No, but
if you are not allowing me to tell a fact on the court
Mr.
proceeding.
Punalekar, look here. Look here. It's a two-way conversation.
about
Okay,
two people
this is not a Sanatan Sanstha meeting. Now, is it not proof? Is it not proof that that dossier that you refer to mentioned how the members
They
of
withdrew
your?
that dossier, I'm
Why
trying to tell
don't
that.
you listen?
They withdrew that dossier. I'm
Why
trying to
don't
tell
you?
are not
The
hearing.
ATS suggested that members of the Sanatan Sanstha who carried out the. Please listen. You know this habit of breaking
Allow me
in
to
between is
complete.
not good.
Yes.
You will allow me to complete now. The ATS said members of the Sanatan Sanstha who carried out the Margao blast were trained by the group at its ashrams in Sangli and Satara in 2009. The men named in the report include Rudra Patil from Sangli, Sarang Akolkar from Pune and Jayaprakash Alaya Sanna from Mangalore as the ones who prepared improvised explosive devices and conducted test blasts, I'm reading out, on the hill behind the home of a man identified as Lakshmikant Naik in the Talolim village in Goa between August 26th and 28th, 2009. The National Investigation Agency then named Patil as the principal suspect, allow me to complete, in the killing of Govind Pansare. The first arrest in that case of Sanatan Sanstha member Samir Gaikwad has led the police to widen the scope of their investigations to include the outfit and the affiliates. Now the fact is that there is also a Goa police report prepared in 2010 and quoted, which said the organization appears to be developing into the stage of terror activities, and if allowed to grow up in a peaceful state, there is imminent danger to life, property, communal harmony of the state and the nation. Now listen, Mr. Punalekar, this is a democracy and not your jungle raj.
Now, I
You
must
can't have
answer.
your free-for-all
I must
for any
answer.
reason.
I must
I have
answer.
given you the facts and
I
you
must
explain
answer.
yourself.
I must
to that.
answer.
You may have the
When
patronage
this
of any
dossier-
political
when
master,
this
but that doesn't
dossier
matter.
Of 1,000 pages
Yeah,
was
go
given.
ahead.
That was done in the year 2011.
Don't go into technicality.
Thereafter in the High Court, submissions were made. Sanatan
bhai,
Sanstha prepared a
am I-
dossier and submitted to central government.
Am I-
Congress government referred
Why
it to the
does
state
Rudra
government.
Patil? Okay, here's a
I will
question.
come down
Here's a
you are not
question.
allowing me to
Here's a
complete.
question.
You are not allowing
You
me to
complain
complete.
too much.
That time.
You complain too much.
Allow me
You
to-
complain too
What
much.
happened to
Why
the
does
dossier?
Rudra Patil have an
Why
NIA
happened in
Interpol?
between the-
Viewers want to know tonight. Why does Rudra Patil have an NIA Interpol red corner notice against him? Why? Why does he have an Interpol red corner notice against him?
I am answering first.
Why does he have an Interpol red corner notice
First
against
question
him?
is
Sir,
coming
why
to
does he have an Interpol red
First
corner notice?
question is
You
not-
answer my question first. Why does he have an Interpol red corner notice against him? Tell me why.
His Interpol notice is
Why does he have an Interpol red corner notice against him, sir? Please answer why. Why? For playing carom? Tell me why. Why? For what reason? Tell the viewers of the News Hour tonight for what
122
reason?
witnesses in
For
the
what
case
reason?
have
What are you
not
talking
been
about
provided.
now? You have no answer now. You know, when I question you on
answering.
fact, is it not
I'm
proof?
answering.
Is it not proof that the Goa police report of 2010
They were acquitted.
dubbed the literature of the
They were
Sanstha?
acquitted.
Sir, you
They were
listen.
acquitted.
Listen.
They were acquitted.
Finding is there.
Now
They
listen,
were
now
acquitted.
listen.
No, I
Did the Goa police report of 2010? I'm asking him.
Goa police
Dub the.
investigated.
Why are you answering from him? Is it true? Is it true? One second. No, 1 minute. Just, I'm asking him. I'm asking him now. I'm asking him. Is it not proof that the Goa police report of 2010 dubbed the literature of the Sanstha as unlawful and suspicious and claimed that the organization is actively promoting unlawful activities and demanding members of the Hindu community to be terrorists? Yes or no? Yes or no? You want me?
That police officer was arrested afterwards.
I'm asking him the question. And finally, doesn't involvement in the bomb blast, as in the Thane case, even merit a consideration for a ban? Did the Sessions Court say that quoting the court, did the Sessions Court say that the actions of the accused are very serious, they may not constitute an act of terrorism, but was it said or not that they were angry with the producer of the play, Ami Pachpute, but never intended to terrorize anyone? The two accused are out on bail.
And Sanatan was never involved. That's the line
I
in the
am
judgment.
quoting the whole
That's the
thing.
line in the
Now
judgment.
tell me one thing. Is it not proof that the Goa police has also further warned that those absconding in the bomb blast cases can be a danger to society? True or false? No, you
Let
want.
me answer to this
True or
question.
false?
Let me
True or
answer this
false?
question. In all
True
over
or
state
false?
of Maharashtra and all over India, in each and
What are you-
every
no,
case,
I'm answer my question. You're not being able to answer my
police makes allegation, but that
Oh, so
doesn't
you
take
don't
me a
believe in the
formal
police.
proof.
So you
It
don't
is a
believe in the police.
Judicial finding, and the judicial finding of
Who
the
do you
court
believe
is
in?
clear.
You
We
believe
the
in
court.
you
Court
don't
is
believe in the
after-
police?
Yes.
You
Yes,
don't believe in the
nobody
police?
believes the police.
You don't believe in the
What
police?
police?
You don't believe in the state? Who do you believe in?
You don't believe
Who do you
the
believe in?
You don't
Who do
believe the court.
who do you
You
believe
don't believe the court.
in? We can question the police. You don't believe the police.
How in the previous show, your show,
I can question
You
the
don't
police.
believe the court.
I believe in the law and order system of the country.
Ultimately, court has given the finding
This
on
is
the police.
amazing. This is amazing.
police report
This
has
is
been
amazing.
falsely found by the court.
Ashish Shelar
And
on
the
the
court is
program.
superior to the
Come,
police. And court has found the police report to be false. How can you deny that?
Ashish Shelar, Ashish Shelar, what's going on? Members of the members of the
report, Priyanka, your government withdrew that report. That dossier was
the debate by 2 minutes. Yeah.
That dossier was withdrawn because it was proved to be false.
Priyanka is saying, sir, listen to her. Priyanka, please listen. Priyanka is listening, talking, please. Priyanka,
No, can I?
Priyanka, go
Can I
ahead.
just make a few points?
Yeah.
When people like Eknath Khatse come and defend Sanatan Sanstha, then you have, ever since the Bharatiya Janata Party has come into power, we've seen how they've diluted the case against many accused, which Ms. Rohini Salian herself had mentioned that as a public prosecutor, she had said that she was under pressure. Then we've had Swami Asimanand's bail not being challenged. Now you're seeing something like this happen.
In the Congress rule, even all the Muslims' bail was not challenged by the OITS.
Dossier, I must
Okay, dear viewers.
But only two sentences.
Any people
That dossier
who
was withdrawn by
question
R.R.
their
Patil
beliefs, their
because
question-
R.R. Patil withdrew the
questions
dossier.
they're following, or
R.R.
Patil
whoever
withdrew the
they're following.
dossier.
Because we found no substance in it.
Because allegations he could not answer. There was an
Wrapping up the
allegation.
debate tonight.
There was an allegation about terror attack on Mumbai,
Investigations have
and your
concluded
Congress
with
government,
people
it had
that
hand in
the accused were
that.
part of
Congress
Sanatan
had
Sanstha.
supported that. Those
Investigations have
jacket,
concluded with people
Karkaredite,
that
you had
we have
purchased.
given a
You
dossier,
had purchased.
and that
Jacket.
should
jacket
ensure
for
that there is a
20,000
ban on
rupees.
Sanatan
This is an irony
Sanstha.
and
But you
paradox.
have a Bharatiya
Viewers,
Janata Party
viewers, if I-
that continues defending
NDA
organizations like
the
that
only point
which work
is-
against
It's
the
a public
harmony of
project.
the
dossier was withdrawn.
Calm down.
Sani Salian, Roni Salian to go slow on the people who are accused in the terror activities of particular religion.
Now,
So
viewers,
what
if an
type of
organization's
signal-
representative, as I wrap this debate, we'll take the discussion forward. As I wrap up the debate tonight, my only question is this. Viewers, my only question is this. If an organization comes into a TV studio, if an organization comes into a TV studio and says that we don't believe in the law and order system of this country, we don't believe in the police.
We don't say so. We don't say so. We say that judiciary is superior to the police.
Now, viewers, can I say something at the end, please? My point is this. Say what you do. But the fact is, when you come into the studio and say, we don't believe in the state, tomorrow you'll say. We don't believe in the constitution, tomorrow you'll say.
We don't say so.
We don't believe in the law and order system of this country. That's what your next position is going to be. You cannot be a law unto yourself. There must be a serious investigations into what your organization, the Sanatan
Brain mobbing.
Sanstha, is
We don't
doing
mind. We don't
and what it
mind.
has been up to.
In
I
fact,
thank you
it has
all for
been done.
joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.